ukudlala nelinye lamaqembu ahamba phambili e-Afrika bekuvele kungeke kube umsebenzi olula. Yize umqeqeshi uBrashek seqinisekile ukuthi iqembu lakhe yilo elidla ubhedu emncintiswaneni we-AFCON. Umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi kwenzakaleni pho? Abathandi bebhola emadolobheni ahlukene banembono eyahlukene.
That penalty shootout. That's where the players were off. Their mood rates just go down like that because Randy missed the shots.
We started doubting ourselves and we judged ourselves.
Inhlanhla ibingekho ukube kade sinayo inhlanhla izolo kube siwine ngamagoli amaningi ngoba abafana kade bedlala lonke ibhola kade bedlala. So ngokuthi ke iAjera ikorile sehluliwe ke ngaleyo nto.
Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi ngeke isketch penalty bese kuqala ukonakala.
I-own goal yenziwe ungabi khona kwe-communication wathula nhlatshwa no goalkeeper wakhe.
Ingabe sekuphelile na ngebafana kwi-AFCON? Abanye abathandi bebhola basanethemba.
At least maybe Senegal will have a chance, but with Ghana, I don't see us coming back. Ghana is angry now. They want to win their next match.
NgoLwesihlanu abafana bazodlala neSenegal kanti kubanjwe imimoya.